This is Pioneer's DEH-S6100BS. This is an in-dash 1-DIN AM/FM and CD receiver with built-in Bluetooth for both hands-free calling and wireless streaming audio. The DEH-S6100BS is compatible with Pioneer's Smart Sync app. The Smart Sync app intelligently brings maps, messages, and music together in your vehicle. The DEH-S6100BS is designed to work with your Android phone and your iPhone. It's compatible with both Pandora and Spotify operating through your phone. It can play back MP3 and FLAC files from USB and works with SiriusXM satellite radio. Let's take a look and see what's in the box. All right, we're going to start off here with the wire harness. Now, the wire harness here is used to connect power, ground, speakers, and all of the electrical connections from the vehicle to the in-dash receiver. Next up, we have some 1-DIN radio removal tools and some installation screws. Next up, we have the Bluetooth microphone. Now, the Bluetooth microphone here comes on a wire around 10 feet long or so for a very flexible installation. And let's open the flap here. And we have the quick start guide. Please remember that you can download a complete copy of the owner's manual right to your cell phone from pioneerelectronics.com. Okay, there's the warranty card. And finally, here is the in-dash receiver. The front panel of the DEH-S6100BS has a large rotary volume control right here. Use this button to activate Pioneer's dynamic bass enhancer system. Use this button to make and receive phone calls. Radio station presets are across the bottom here. And the auxiliary port is here. The USB port can be used to charge your phone and play back MP3 or FLAC files from a USB thumb drive. And, of course, detachable face security. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the DEH-S6100BS features a 31-band EQ. The DEH-S6100BS features multicolor illumination. When using the Pioneer Smart Sync app, the navigation button here will activate your favorite nav app on your phone for turn-by-turn instructions. On the back panel of the DEH-S6100BS, the AM/FM antenna from the vehicle will plug in right here. The optional SXV300 tuner from SiriusXM will plug in right here. The wire harness connected to the vehicle will plug in right here. The black jack on the top here is to plug in the Bluetooth microphone included with the in-dash receiver. And the one on the bottom is for operating your steering wheel controls through a third-party adapter. And here are 3 sets of 2-volt RCA outputs for operating external amplifiers. They can be set up as front, rear, and subwoofer outputs, or for more control and better sound quality, high, mid, and low outputs. And that is Pioneer's DEH-S6100BS, Smart Sync compatible in-dash receiver. And what's in the box?